Oh, I'm living.
Oh my god, he's shaking his legs.
Leggy.
And like, what does
Leggy.
leggy mean? You're like, does your character have leggy? And I'm like, what?
Do your character have leggy?
They do have legs. Don't know what
Leggy.
leggy means. There he goes.
There he goes.
Wait, let's go. Where you go?
No, he's gonna get hurt. Our little baby. Our little baby.
I want a cartwheel, but I want you to make my hands cold.
That was legitimate.
I know.
No! Hallelujah. These are really, I should have brought like boots or something.
I think I might have boots that you can borrow. If not,
Because we have the same shoe size.
Yeah, bro.
Brow.
Your
Eyebrows on fleek.
Wait, we have to go to the other side.
Caddy!
Now let's run.
Snow Ventures!
I was harassed by a tree.
Cold ankles. Do.
Your characters have. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Screw you.
Where'd the cat go? What if we lost him forever?
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's still there?
Yeah, it's still there. You didn't take it out.
Why?
If he dies, I'm gonna blame you.
Wow, really?
I'm gonna be like, Megan killed my cat.
Wow, I would never.
Yeah, you wouldn't. Oh, there he is.
Kitty.
In the snow.
Snow
In the
cat.
snow. He's in the snow.
He!
Wait, I was gonna bring my Polaroid camera and take artsy photos.
Oh wait, we can still take it on here, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but they're not artsy because they're not on a Polaroid camera.
Yeah, I guess. Wow, that poked me in the face.